Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to design this simple hitch peg seen here for our toy train that we will assemble later. So let's go ahead now and start a new design and start a sketch on our XY plane. It's a pretty small object, so I'm going to zoom in a fair amount here. All right, and remember we're going to do a circle revolve for this, or a center revolve. So all diameters will be in half so we can get their radiuses. So I'm going to come up here to my line. The diameter is 0.25, so this line here is going to be 0.125. Okay, and then we're going to go up a distance of 0.5. All right, and then we're going to draw another line over here, and we're going to make this distance 0.65. Okay, and then we're just going to draw another line. I'm going to zoom in a little more. Draw another line out here, a distance of, okay, 0.2 minus 0.125 or 0.75. Okay, and then we're just going to come up and grab our 3-point arc and we're going to connect these two dots, right, like this. Okay, and then we'll dimension it right now. And this arc has a radius of 0.208. Hit enter. Okay, and that will do it for this sketch. Let's go ahead and finish it, and we're going to use our center revolve. Okay, our profile is selected. Let's go ahead now and select the axis we want to rotate around. And there we go. Let's hit OK. And as we always do, let's give the physical material here stainless steel. Okay, so we're going to go to metal, go all the way down to polished stainless steel. So find polished stainless steel. Stainless steel, stainless steel. There's a lot. There we go. Drag it on over. Hit close. Let's go ahead and save this guy as our hitch peg. And I'm going to call it hitch peg 2 because it's the second one I made. All right, so let's go ahead and hit save. And that will do it for this part. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.